I'm back. Grandpa and I are still traveling, and I thought we'd go on now to our story. Did you remember that we were talking earlier about the fastest animals? Well, today we're going to talk about the slowest animal. What do you think is the slowest animal? People don't talk about that very much. Let's see. Which animals are the slowest? Some animals, such as sea creatures like mussels and sea anemones, this is a sea anemone here, it looks like a flower, but that's an animal, cannot move by themselves at all. They must grow on rocks or grass at the ocean's edge and stay there all their lives. Anemones may fix themselves to hermit crabs. See how this one's stuck to the shell? Then the crabs move and the anemones ride with them. So this crab's inside this hermit crab has found a place to someone's empty shell to live in, and when he moves he drags that shell with him really slowly, and the anemone, which is also an animal, it looks like a plant but it's an animal, it hitches a ride along. A snail's pace is slow indeed. The wood snail, see this snail, here's his feelers and here's his head, and this is his shell. The wood snail needs half a day to travel the length of a football field. So you can run across a football field all the way from end to end pretty fast, but it takes a snail half a day. That means 12 hours, or at least 6 hours to go that far. The slowest mammal, now remember, a mammal is kind of like us, it's an animal that gives milk to its babies and has warm blood. The slowest mammal is the three-toed sloth. You see his three toes up here. Crawling on the ground, the sloth moves at only 6 to 8 feet per minute. Oh my goodness. Wonder what they do if a predator, lion or something comes after them. But it can move more quickly in the trees. Oh, I see. About 15 feet per minute. Green algae grows on the sloth's shaggy fur. Did you know that? It actually has plants growing on it. The green color helps the sloth blend in with the trees so it cannot be seen by faster moving enemies. So they just kind of hang out there and hide. It's a good thing because they can't get away very fast, can they? Would you want to be a fast moving animal or a slow moving animal? That would be interesting, wouldn't it? Okay. Let's stop with that book. Let's go into our Bible story. Okay. Today, our Bible story is about a man named Paul. Do you remember Saul, the man who was holding the coats? Well, this is someone's idea of what he might have looked like when his name got changed. He doesn't like Christians. He would like to kill all of them and put them in jail. Right now in this picture, he's walking down the road trying to find some Christians to hurt. Remember, he hasn't been changed to. He hasn't had his name changed quite yet. He thinks all Christians are bad. He thinks he's doing God's work. He does not know that Jesus is God's son. Paul thinks that God likes him to hurt Christians, but soon God will tell Paul to love Jesus and his people, and then Paul won't hurt them anymore. Do you remember this man's name? He had two names. His first name was Saul, and then he changed his name to Paul. Yeah, they rhyme, Saul and Paul. Why does this man want to hurt Christians? Do you remember? Because he thinks they are not doing God's work. He thinks he's doing God's work. But next time we read, we're going to find out how God got his attention. It was pretty exciting how God got his attention. Sometimes when people are very persuaded of something, they're very sure of it, God has to do something very dramatic to get their attention. We'll talk about that next time. So Jesus, we pray that you will help us, Lord, to have patience with those that don't have your light yet. Because your light is what can make the difference. And we are only who we are because of your light. So help us to be patient and pray faithfully for those who have not yet come to your light, that God will shine his light in their hearts and show them what is true.